That was my oven telling me it's done. Okay, here we go. Here's a little bit of parsley. I just want to do a little bit of parsley, but definitely the main thing here is just a little bit of dill. Oh yeah, there we go. I mean, come on, it's a simple side dish, but it's carrot. You're eating your veggies. I think it looks wonderful. Hi, I'm Amy Roloff, and we're in my little kitchen. This is, I think, a simple side dish. I will admit, carrots I struggle with in how I want to prepare and cook them. You know, I have them in soups. I have them in, like my fried rice. I have them in a variety of stuff, but not necessarily by themselves. And I don't like an overly sweet side dish for a vegetable necessarily. And carrots just seem to be one of those things that a lot of people put brown sugar or something like that. But the thing is, you can also make them savory as well. So I just wanted to try out a simple side dish for carrots that I think could go with fish. It could go with pork chops, definitely chicken. It can go with beef. I would definitely lean towards making it a little more savory, whether red pepper flakes, feta, whatever. But anyway, look at these little itty bitty carrots. I'm debating whether to cut them diagonally or people can just have 2 on a plate. So you got 2, 4, 6, 8. You have like 4 servings right here. So anyway, you guys, what should I do? Cut them diagonally? You know what? I think I'm going to leave them like this because they're, yeah, this one's a little fat and everything. The main point is you want them equal sizes, equal lengths and stuff, because that way consistency in cooking and time and all this stuff. So I'm going to leave these just like this. All I'm going to do, we're going to roast them 525 degrees. I think maybe depending on the size of your carrot, it can be anywhere from 15 to 25 minutes. And I'm hoping these will only take 20. I'm just going to drizzle them with olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper, and then it's the afterwards. I'm going to take a little bit of orange juice from an orange here. I'm going to take a little bit of the zest. We're going to sprinkle it with a little bit of dill. And, well, I've got chopped up parsley here, but I want to chop them up a little bit more. And that's it. If you want a little bit of heat, feel free to add that little red pepper flakes. So anyway, let's give this a shot. Simple, simple, simple. Where's my olive oil? Okay, here we go. Oops, I'm gonna put them on here first. You know what? I think I'm gonna leave them on the plate. That way I can just kind of coat them better. See, just drizzle it a little bit. And I tell you, roasting them like so many vegetables that I did not think I liked as a kid, I like now as an adult, brings out their sweetness. Oh, I am just so surprised, to tell you the truth. I just really am surprised. Look at that. Simple, simple. The only hard part is that I got my hands all over it. Okay, we're just going to do a little bit of salt and pepper. You just want to make sure, you spread them out so they get air circulated all around them. A little bit of pepper here. You can use ground if you want, but just a little bit here. And in we go. Simple. Roasting food and vegetables is so simple. Anyway, I'll see you back here in about 20 minutes. So while the carrots are roasting, I'm just going to chop up this parsley a little bit more. I didn't want big leafy, leaves or whatever. I'm just going to chop this up a little bit more. There we go. Okay. I have my dill here. Just gonna, oh yeah, sorry. Just gonna do a little bit. We don't need a lot of dill, but just enough to kind of add that little, I don't know, little freshness. I don't want to say lemony because there is lemon dill, I believe. There's lemon thyme. What is the herb that tastes a little buttery to me? Sometimes dill does. Anyway, here we go. Just gonna chop this up a little bit. Okay, my sleeve or my knife gets caught on my sleeve here. We're just gonna put that over here. We're gonna put some of my parsley over there. I'm going to get a small bowl. And I'm going to, how do I cut this? This way? This way. Oh my gosh. How do you even cut an orange in half? I think it's this way. No, this way. We're cutting it this way. Amy. Oh, you know what? I'm going to get my other grater. This one is not strong enough. Okay, I got my other grater because this is, yeah, this is a lot more tough. It can handle it. So if I'm going to juice maybe half this orange, I'm going to use half of the zest. Isn't that funny? Carrots are orange, oranges, orange zest, orange juice, both brothers. Okay, I think that's about enough. You guys, it smells so fresh. I think this would be a good springtime. Anytime you have a lighter meat, like fish or chicken, probably could even go well with pork chops too. Okay, half of it. This makes me want to eat. I have a lot of citrus in the wintertime growing up because that's when citrus isn't now. You know what you gotta hope for? You have a juicy orange. Ugh. Okay, I'm squeezing as best I can on this orange. And it's not as juicy. Oh, I know. I'm sticking, look at this. I'm sticking my thumbs in there and just getting a lot more because you want, depending on how many carrots you have, you want at least about 2 tablespoons. And there's a lot of pulp here. So how can it not be juicy? It's like lemons and limes. There are some limes that are so juicy, I'm like, oh my goodness, where have you been all my life? Lemons too, and oranges. I'm almost there, people. I played pickleball this weekend. Loved the game. Chris and I almost want to invest in our own place out here on the west side of Portland area, Hillsborough, and create our own pickleball court. Okay, I know this is taking a little longer than I thought. I thought it'd be really simple. Oranges, it has this nice, fresh, just really good smell to it. Okay, I'm just trying to get about 2 tablespoons of butter. If you just want to do one, that's okay too. I'm just going to plop it in there. The orange zest is in there. So when the carrots are done, we're going to heat this up. I'm just heating it up in the microwave because it's such a little amount. Then we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of our parsley and dill on there. So I think I have probably maybe about another 10 minutes to go on the carrots. So I'll see you back here in about 10 minutes. I don't know. I'm kind of anxious to give these a try. Well, here they are. Let me get a plate. Okay. I'm just going to do this nice little plate. I probably should have got a smaller plate, but I don't have one. So, just going to... Oh, the pan hurts. Pan's hot. Okay. Oops. Oh yeah, these look luscious. Just gonna kind of fix them up a little. Ouch. They're still hot, people. Okay. Just gonna kind of serve this up a little bit here. Spread them out so we get all the orange juice and stuff like that nearby. Okay. I'm gonna clean up my plate a little bit. A little fork. Oh yeah. This is just the orange juice, orange zest. Now if you wanted to save a little bit of the orange zest and just sprinkle a little bit on the carrot, you could do that. The butter wasn't fully melted, so I'm just kind of melting it in to the orange juice. Let me get a little spoon. Get a little spoon here. I got a lot of stuff over here, don't I? We're just gonna drizzle this over here. Just make sure all your carrots just, oh yeah. It smells so nice. And the reason I like the orange juice because it has a slight sweetness to it, but it still has that citrusy taste to it too. So it's got that little tang. This definitely can go for a lot more with all that squeezing of that orange. Oops. Oh. That was my oven telling me it's done. Okay, here we go. Here's a little bit of parsley. I just want to do a little bit of parsley, but definitely the main thing here is just a little bit of dill. Oh yeah, there we go. I mean, come on, it's a simple side dish, but it's carrot. You're eating your veggies. I think it looks wonderful. And so now I can't wait to taste it. So check out this recipe over there at amyroloffslittlekitchen.com and enjoy gathering around your table with family and friends because I appreciate you coming into my kitchen and my home and I get to share this little dish with you. So let me taste it. Okay, I'm gonna taste these carrots. I'm not even sure I need a knife, but just a taste. Oh yeah. Mmm. I like these. And that, I'd probably love it if they were swimming in the orange juice. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Can I just keep eating in front of everybody here? Huh? Can I just do that? I don't know. These are good. I love it. And if you just wanted to drizzle or sprinkle just a little bit of sea salt on this, it would be great. Roasted carrots with orange juice and dill. Lovely. It's a great side dish. So give it a try. Until next time, everyone, Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen. From mine to yours, enjoy.